Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to learn what are the important theory questions to be studied for your SEM-5 paper under the subject Logistic and Supply Chain Management for all the TYBMS SEM-5 students. Now, from the textbook point of view, there are multiple chapters in this particular subject. So, I have drafted from each chapter which are the important questions that you need to learn. So, let us start with chapter number 1. Under chapter 1, what do you mean by logistic? Very important. Okay, the one which are very important, I'm going to put a tick mark to that. So those are the first question that you need to go through. Okay. Next, what are the importance of logistic? Okay, very important. What are the importance of logistic management in India? You can write the similar point. Okay, the importance of logistic, the same points can be used in that answer. What are the objectives of logistic? Okay, difference between inbound, outbound logistic or short notes between the both. Very important. What do you mean by reverse logistic? What do you mean by green logistic? And explain the 7 pillars to achieve logistical competency. So from the first chapter, these are the very important questions, and the one which I've tick marked, you all should go through those questions first. Okay, this was from chapter number 1. Next, chapter number 2. What is supply chain management? Explain 3 flows of supply chain management. Next, explain the objectives and functions of supply chain management. Explain the role of logistic in supply chain management. Who are the participants of supply chain management? Write a note on logistic and supply chain management or difference between the both. Explain channel management. Explain channel integration. Okay, explain bullwhip effect and explain what are the various stages in supply chain management. Okay, so these are important topic again from chapter number 2, and the one which I've ticked marked, those are the most important from them, which you need to first cover up. Okay, next, chapter number 3. What is customer service? What are the objectives of customer service? What are the elements of customer service? What are the rights of customer service? And explain the strategies to improve the customer service. So these are the important topics from chapter number 3. Next, chapter number 4 has the following question. Explain the objectives of demand forecasting. Very important. Explain the forecasting methods and explain Delphi technique. Very, very, very important. Next, chapter number 5. Explain railways, the advantages and disadvantages. Similarly, for all other ones, okay, you have roadways, airways, waterways, ropeway, pipeline. Again, the meaning, the advantages and disadvantages, and very simple question these are. Okay, what are the factors influencing transport? What is the difference between rail, road, and waterways? What are the importance of transportation? Factors influencing the transportation and participant in transportation. Okay. So the factor influencing is important. The difference between and the advantages and disadvantages of various, the transportation ways. This is from chapter number 5. Next, from chapter number 6, we have what are the function of warehousing? What are the benefits of warehousing? What are the principle of warehousing? What are the various types of warehousing? Distinguish between private and public warehouse. What are the strategies involved in warehousing and what are the factors affecting the warehousing cost? From chapter number 6, these are the important topics that need to be covered up and the tick mark are the most important ones. Chapter number 7, what are the objectives of material handling? What are the principle of material handling? Explain the system of material handling. Explain various equipments used for material handling. Very important question. And lastly, explain the factors affecting the selection of material handling. Okay, so these are important topics from your chapter number 7. Chapter 8 may you have what are the functions of packaging. What are the various types of packaging material? Write a note on packaging cost. Okay, and what are the various types of packaging? From chapter 8, these are the very important questions. Next, chapter number 9 may we have what are the objectives of inventory management? What are the functions of inventory management? And what are the importance of inventory management? That is from like one part. The next you have all the short notes under various analysis, under which we have ABC analysis, very important. XYZ, HML, weight analysis, just in time, and MRP. Very important analysis. And last, what is EOQ, assumption and limitation. But this is basically more or less for the practical part, very important topic. Next, we have chapter number 10, write a note on total cost approach, activity based costing and mission based costing. Under chapter 11, we have what are the various objectives of performance management. Write a note on internal and external performance measurement. What are the characteristics of ideal management and importance of performance measurement? Okay, so chapter 11, these are the important topics. And for the last chapter, okay, there are a few more, not the last. Under chapter number 12, we have explained network design and stated importance. Write a note on LASH, very important. Explain RORD, explain the various transportation network options. Chapter 12, these are the important topics. The next, explain the types of logistic information system, very important. Write a note on the information technology infrastructure. Explain the principle of logistic information system and the role of information technology in logistics. So under chapter 13, these are the important topics. Next, chapter 14. Okay, these are this chapter basically for all the short notes. Okay, write a note on golden quadrilateral logistic park, deep water port, inland container, okay, maritime logistic, double stack container, unit train, cold chain storage. So this is basically for short notes. This can be asked. Very important ones are the one which I have tick mark. Okay, chapter 15 may we have meaning and objectives of outsourcing, advantages of outsourcing, third party logistic service provider, fourth party logistic service, drawbacks of outsourcing, outsourcing as value proposition, and explain the selection of logistic service provider. So under chapter 15, these are the topics, very important, and the tick mark are the most important. And now the last chapter, explain the global logistic trend, global issues and challenges in logistic, very very important, and impact of globalization on logistic, again very important topic. Okay, so these were all the topics from various chapters under logistic. I hope everyone have noted it down. Okay, chalo, with that we will be ending this video here. Thank you.